So welcome back, guys. This time around, Maisto Custom Haulers. Quite a cool truck, Mack truck with the opening hood, as well as the trailer itself has got the normal drop-down tailgate. Let's open this guy up. So the truck itself is die-cast metal cab with plastic bits around the cab. As I said, opening nose, quite nice detail to it. And then the trailer itself. For those of you that don't know, the truck itself has got quite a cool little trick to it. There you can see the normal drop down tailgate, which we will be modifying so we can have an actual functioning tail lift. So the truck itself, like I said, die cast as well as plastic. Very nice truck, very cool. You get a wide variety of these trucks and trailers. This is the opening hood and the trick up its sleeve. Check this out. So you can actually extend the wheelbase. Cool, eh? Alright. Back to its normal. But what we're going to change this episode is the trailer itself. We'll be getting back to the truck at a later stage, as well as modifying this trailer in future episodes as well. But for this, as I said, the tailgate, which will be fully functional up and down, going to a second floor, which I'll do in the next episode. There the floor comes out. You can see the inside. Trailer's roof also can be removed. There's the tailgate. As you can see, we're going to be cutting a groove into that there on the trailer, and then also the little nubs off of the tailgate itself, and then put a rod through there that I'm going to custom bend so it fits snugly in there, and then the tailgate itself can pivot on that rod. And then also for the ramps, we're going to utilize those little hinges. You can hinge back and forth. Those hinges you can get at any craft store. As you can see, tailgate's operational. There's the rod I bent with the little indents, so that when it closes, it operates as it should. There you can see what it looks like from the inside. And now to add the wires to keep this tailgate from flopping down when you've got a car resting on it. And there we go. Wires connected, car in, as well as the fold down ramp, which can also be picked up. That also folds completely over for when you close the tailgate. And you can see it's going down, so when you want to put a car in, you can do so, as the main tailgate doesn't go all the way down to the floor. But you can see it going up, and that's where it sits. Like I said, the next one I'll be doing a flooring for the second floor, and also more detailing to come on the trailer, as well as a custom spray job at the end of the series on this truck and trailer. You can see the groove I cut, the rod, the wires, and how everything works. Very easy to do this, straightforward. And you can see the ram folding over, and in you go. Yeah, so there you go guys. Very easy to do, and enjoy. Alright, I'll see you on the next one. Keep an eye out. Cheers.